Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah, Mobility 316, doing a quick video of our 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan. Now look, I know a lot of you out there running a business, taking care of a family member. You don't have 20 minutes to watch our one-of-a-kind detailed video. For those of you in a hurry, give me 60 seconds. Brand new deep cut ATS conversion here. Handle on either side. I can operate this entire conversion with 2 fingers. Pinch, flip, take this to the ground using only my index finger. Weighs about as much as a half a gallon of milk. Super simple to do. We took the seats out of this back one, make it easy to get 2 wheelchairs in here at a time. Attend to your passengers, folks. We got this in the mid-20s with free shipping, nationwide warranty on the van, 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion, financing available, never any hidden bogus fees, the absolute best prices in the country. Our goal is to help grow your business, help find your family a van that you need, and save you tons of money doing so. So for those who have a little bit more time, I'm a big fan of these rear entries if you're gonna start a business, because the side entries, they're a 30-inch wide ramp at the max. These are a 34-inch wide ramp, bigger chairs, pay more money. That's exactly what we're looking for here. Also, if you get a narrow side entry ramp, you're gonna have to reject business. That's how you go right to the bottom of the list with your facilities and brokers. You can't haul the big chairs. They have to make more phone calls instead of calling you. Yeah, that's how you lose contracts. Also, if this were a side entry van and there were a vehicle parked here, you could not get out of the van. You'd be blocked in. That doesn't happen with the rear entry. The rear entry have about 2 or 3 more inches of ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including snowdrift during the wintertime. And they're about $10,000 more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the major advantages to the rear entry, but if you're looking for a side entry, what about full size like a ProMaster or Transit, wheelchair accessible SUVs, trucks. We got about 100 vehicles on the lot here in Wichita, Kansas, all with free shipping, free Carfax reports, all with nationwide warranties, and the best price guarantee in the country. If you don't see it at mobility316.com, we're probably either getting it ready or we can help find it for you at the best price in the country. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 57 inches once you're inside the van, 800-pound weight capacity, got your spare tire, dual shoulder harnesses for hooking up 2 wheelchairs at a time. We throw in the Q-Strengths at no charge. Our competitors are going to charge you $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. Got your Q-Strength tie down and warranty information there. Plug-ins for your electronics. Cup holders, got your dual climate control there, and got your auxiliary cord. Dash is in great shape, folks. This is a 1-owner, 20 service records, only 66,000 miles. This is exactly what I'm looking for when I'm looking for vans to convert. And a lot of our competitors, they're going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, and they have to say that or they'll lose their job. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. Braun Ability, for example, they have a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on their conversion. Well, ours is a 3-year unlimited mile nationwide warranty. Pretty easy to see who has the best built conversion, right? And beware, some of the big box stores, they're gonna say things, oh, you gotta buy from us here at Mobility Works, so we can service this vehicle at any of our 100 locations. Folks, not true. These conversions, these manual conversions are pretty much bulletproof. It's 2 clamps and a couple of hydraulics that run these, literally like $100 in parts to replace if something went wrong. But I promise you the big box stores would love to service your vehicle if you ever brought it in. So don't be tricked into spending $10,000 too much by that used car salesman at the big box stores. Tinted windows, all these tires are about 8/32, so not brand new, but tons of tread left on the tires. Do my walk around here, I'm looking for little nicks, dents, scratches in the paint. Not gonna sit here and say it's a perfect van, but boy, it's super clean, very nice, very well taken care of. And you hear me all the time talk about how we can save you $10,000 on your wheelchair accessible vehicles. How we do it, it's simple, it's low overhead. I started this company 14 years ago. I had one goal in mind. By the way, I put brand new headlights, the blacked out ones, those look pretty awesome in these. One goal in mind, I want to produce the highest quality wheelchair vans in the country at the absolute lowest cost. So how am I going to do that? I don't want to copy United Access, Mobility Works, Superior with their dozens to hundreds of locations. They literally have millions of dollars more in overhead every single month that I don't have. That's why they have to charge so much for their vans. So I said, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 5 simple steps to crush their prices, but still be able to service the entire country. I said, number 1, I'm going to start a dealership right in the middle of the country, Midwest, Wichita, Kansas. Low cost of living means low overhead, means low prices. Number 2, being right in the middle of the country, I can now offer free shipping in the lower 48 states to service the entire country. Number 3, I'm going to do super detailed videos like you're watching right now to fully educate you about the condition, conversion, Carfax, test drive. You got full transparency with us, know exactly what you're getting. Number 4, I'm going to make sure every single vehicle comes with a nationwide warranty. This van comes with a 6-month, 6,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Covers 100% of the engine transmission. Also covers water pump, alternator, starter, has roadside assistance, no deductible. We got long-term warranties available as well. Number 5, I'm not going to employ a sales staff. Sales staff is more overhead. I let our amazing reputation, our one-of-a-kind videos you're watching right now, and our 50 pictures of every van do all the selling, keeping overhead low and prices even lower. And no matter who you buy from, get you a video of the VIN number, not just a picture, a video. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Mobility 316. You bet your backside I got this vehicle right here in my possession. Also, don't be afraid to ask for an ID. If they tell you their name is Jeremiah Coleman, Wichita, Kansas, their ID better say so. Don't be afraid to ask for it. Let's go check out the Carfax. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we purchase it. I highly recommend it. You do the same. Not only that, I'm the only dealer in the entire country that goes over the Carfax with you, shows you why I believe in this vehicle enough to spend my own money on it, why you can as well. Pretty simple on this one. This is a former government vehicle. I signed a contract to buy a whole bunch of these government vehicles. These are exactly what I'm looking for. Check it out, 20 service records. Government vehicles come on what they call SF97 title. The government doesn't buy used vehicles, so this is a one owner. This line here means one owner, okay? You can see this entire Carfax on our website at no charge to you. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands in the title. No total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents or damage, tons of service records. Exactly what we're looking for. Never been structural damage, airbags never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. You can scroll down, you can see the meticulous service records on this vehicle. The miles are all documented. I love the government vehicles because they really take care of them. They're spending our tax money, not their own money, and that's why these vehicles are so well taken care of. You can see the alternator was replaced at 65,000 miles, serpentine belt replaced, a front window motor replaced. This is all done, of course, before my mechanics ever inspected it as well. Super well taken care of. And no matter who you buy from, do a little research on them. Find us on eBay, 1,929 transactions. Every single one of those transactions has left us positive feedback, 100%. A reputation we work very hard for and we're very proud of. If you're like me, hey, I check out reviews to go eat a $10 cheeseburger. I'm like you, I work really hard for my money. I don't care if it's a $10 cheeseburger. I want the best bang for my buck. And if we're gonna check out reviews for $10 cheeseburgers, probably a pretty good idea if you're gonna go buy a $30,000, $40,000 mobility vehicle. You get online, check out reviews and ratings and see what people are saying about the seller. I hear the horror stories all the time. These sellers tell me how they bought from a private individual or a Facebook marketplace, the two most dangerous places in the world to buy a vehicle. Let you watch this little video of some of the things we encounter here, but I have talked to these people all the time. Number one, if you buy from Facebook marketplace, private seller, number one, you don't know if they jumped that title. If you don't know what a jump title is, you better figure it out real quick if you're gonna buy from one of them. Number two, you don't get to check out the reviews and ratings online, thousands of them like I'm showing you, to know you're dealing with someone honest and reputable. Number three, and most importantly, you have no protection from the state. You buy from me, a licensed dealer in the state of Kansas. If I don't provide the vehicle, if I don't provide the title, if I scam you, you can go to the Department of Revenue Dealer Licensing. They will come put me in jail. They will arrest me if I try and scam you. You're protected and it costs you nothing. You buy one of these from a private seller or Facebook marketplace and they scam you on top of the money, you've already been scammed. You get to spend thousands of dollars now hiring an attorney to chase this person around the country, around the world, and try and get some of your money back. Yeah, good luck with that. I can already tell you how that's going to work out for you. So, whether it's a low-end dealer, dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings, dealers that don't know about the law, don't care about the law, dealers with nothing close to our 4.8 reviews here, or the private sellers or Facebook marketplace. The bottom line is, you end up buying a vehicle that has a salvage title you weren't told about, flood damage you weren't notified of, a frame cut in half like I just showed you in that video right there, a bad transmission, bad engine, rust so bad the vehicle is not safe to drive and it won't pass inspection. So the bottom line is, if you want to roll the dice on a huge purchase like this, boy, good luck. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from the mobility dealer that has the most 5-star Google reviews of any single mobility dealership in the entire country, with free shipping, free Carfax reports, minimum 90-day nationwide warranty with every single van, financing available, best price guarantee. Check us out. We're happy to help. All right, back to the van. We do have the 2 key fobs here, keyless entry. Another great thing about the government vehicles, they do not allow smoking in these, so no signs of any smoke or unusual odors. Super clean interior. Second row of seating, I love these. This allows you direct contact to get to your wheelchair passengers if you need to help them with anything. Showing you the layout here. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me full-time. 66,192 miles. We even topped off the gas for you. That's no small feat with these fuel prices these days. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights, none of that stuff. And with our 4 mechanics, we check all the power mirrors, windows, locks, heat, air. Turn this radio for you real quick. Radio works just fine. I'm gonna show you those windows and mirrors working right now. I check the cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, check fluids, replace them as necessary. Take these on a road test. See that mirror moving over there. We're very thorough in everything we do, and there's many reasons we do that. Two of the main reasons are, when this vehicle shows up to your place with our free shipping, I want you to say, that's exactly the vehicle Jeremiah represented in pictures and videos. Number two, I'm applying for a job right now. I take that very serious. I'm applying to be your mobility dealer. Look at all these lazy ads out there. 4 or 5 lazy pictures, too cheap to do a Carfax, too lazy to get out here and do a video. Yeah, put my resume up next to theirs and you let me know who you want to spend your hard-earned money with. Underneath, I can see a brand new battery we put in there. 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage or leaks. You can see both fluids have been checked and topped off there. Boy, this fan purrs like a kitten. Underneath, much of the same. Super clean, no rust, no signs of any flood damage, no signs of crumpled up metal from an accident. Super clean. That's the #1 mistake consumers make when they purchase vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks nice in pictures, just because it's low mileage, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. They assume it's mechanically sound. You know, I tell you what, that's the most dangerous thing you can do. I frequently see brand new vehicles at auction that have flood damage. You know what happens? These dealers take on a flood. They're gonna rush these vehicles over to auction, dump them off to make them someone else's problem, all before that flood hits the Carfax report. My point in telling you this, that kind of stuff can happen with a brand new vehicle. You better know what you're getting if you're purchasing a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I want you to go Facebook Marketplace, private sellers, another dealer, I don't care. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you thousands of reviews online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle with a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been a flood? They get on their hands and knees and crawl underneath the vehicle, show you detailed, even a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see no signs of any flood damage, and no signs of any rust from big rust damage, anything like that. How about the warranty? They throw in a complimentary nationwide warranty. What about the roof? You know, often I get up on an auction, especially on these taller vehicles, to look at the roof. I find a roof just crushed with hail damage, no thank you, or some other kind of damage. Most sellers don't fix the roof because most people don't get up here and look at the roof. You know who does? Jeremiah with Mobility 316, you better do the same. That roof can get real expensive, $10,000, $15,000 to replace. So when it comes to price, reputation, full transparency, show you exactly what you're getting, accompanied by a 6-month nationwide warranty, complimentary to you. Please put our resume next to anybody in the country. You tell me what happens if you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if the vehicle won't pass inspection in your state because it's got VIN number issues on the vehicle or the title? Bottom line is, if you can't get these vehicles registered, you cannot drive them. You spend a whole lot of money on a vehicle you can't even pull out of your driveway. So to avoid these issues and so many more, do 3 things before you buy from anybody. First of all, demand a detailed video like this. And I'm not talking some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a major purchase. You're not buying a brand new swimsuit off Amazon. This is a big deal. Demand a detailed video. And if they won't get you a detailed video, what are they hiding from you? Boy, this is way too big of a purchase to find out. Number 2, show me the Carfax. Demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax are the most expensive VIN inspection there is, but they're also the most thorough. Do not settle for a cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax. And if they won't spend $45 on a Carfax, if the vehicle needed a new battery, do you think they put it in? Of course not. If it needed new quality headlights, did they put it? Of course not. They're too cheap to do a $45 Carfax. That's when all the red flags and sirens and bells and whistles should be going off in your head, saying, boy, this cat won't even run a $45 Carfax, but they want me to spend 30 grand on a vehicle. Do not settle for a cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax. Third and finally, demand a warranty. Are you really buying vehicles as is or some lame 30-day powertrain warranty? Folks, that's how you get scammed. That's how you buy a lemon. 6 month, 6,000 mile nationwide drivetrain plus warranty. I already told you what it went over here. And we got affordable long-term warranties as well. Do not risk buying as is. Demand a warranty. All right, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, if you come and drive this caravan home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure the van's roadworthy. You see the steering wheel's nice and straight this entire test drive, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems, runs and drives extremely nice down the highway. I'm super impressed with it. I know you would be as well. Also keep in mind, if you'd ever like to come visit us, I've got the cruise control set also. If you'd ever like to come visit us, we do welcome that, but we 100% require an appointment 365 days a year. Remember, we do not employ a sales staff here. Help us keep overhead low and prices even lower. I need you to take 30 seconds of your life, call us, text us, let us know which vehicle or vehicles you'd like to look at. We'll be organized, prepared, and sit you down for a consultation with a mobility professional, not a used car salesman. Also, speaking of used car salesmen, we don't have any hidden bogus dealer's fees. So many of these dealers, they put a real nice price online with that hidden in the fine print, a $500 administrative fee, document fee, tag fee, freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping, free Carfax reports, free upgraded tie downs, and a complimentary 6-month nationwide warranty. So by the time you have the cost of all the hidden fees, warranty, Carfax, shipping, next thing you know, that real nice price you saw online is about $10,000 over sticker price. Quit falling for all these used car salesman games and gimmicks. There is a term for this in the industry. It's called making money on the back end. These dealers intentionally put a very nice price online to get you to call or come in and talk to one of their used car salesmen. Their used car salesman does used car salesman things, and these dealers fully know that you're gonna walk out paying 10 grand over sticker. Be sure to ask about all these before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you with full transparency. That's how we do things here. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, exactly what we're looking for. Now, if you'd like to give us a call or text, text is by far the fastest way to get in touch with us. By the way, AC works great here, feels amazing. Call us, text us, 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. Text is by far the fastest way to get in touch with us. That way, anyone on our staff can see that text come through, respond to you as soon as possible. But I challenge you, I want you to ask our competitors if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company. That line you can reach out to me anytime. Or most of these companies, like the big box stores, horrible customer service. You know, you might end up getting somebody on the phone, but it ends up being that used car salesman. If you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number of all these companies out there, and also definitely like me, want to avoid those used car salesman types, give us that call or text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, we're gonna sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing for this vehicle. For businesses especially, being this old, it's going to be a little harder to get personal financing, but we can sure give it a shot. And yes, we do take trade-ins. We can take trade-ins from across the country, whether a standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you would like to come in to visit us, just a reminder, you must make that appointment. No exceptions to that rule. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but hey, this is a major purchase. I'm just trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with one-of-a-kind detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus dealer's fees, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, all accompanied by a nationwide complimentary warranty, all from the most thorough, transparent, and highly rated mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today. We really appreciate you checking us out, giving us a chance to earn your business, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.